The reason I'm here today is my husband and I are going to file for divorce, and we're in a lot of debt, so we think we might need to file bankruptcy. What should we do first?
Well, we're seeing this more and more often. Couples come in here that would like to have a divorce, but typically they have lots of debt. And so what we try to do is we try to look at your entire financial situation before we can advise you whether or not it's preferable for you to file the divorce or the bankruptcy first.
Oh, okay. So if my husband decides not to file bankruptcy, can I force him to?
Well, you can't really force your husband to file the bankruptcy. However, if I were to work with your husband or your husband's attorney, I think it would be preferable to advise him about the benefits of filing for the bankruptcy along with the divorce.
Okay. So would it be a good idea to get like a joint petition?
We can absolutely file a joint petition. In bankruptcy, just as in a divorce, the petition can be filed jointly, or it can be also filed separately.
Okay. And do you think it would be good to have like one lawyer or two or separate lawyers?
In a divorce, it's almost always best to have separate attorneys. You need an attorney to represent you and your interests. The bankruptcy is a little different. The bankruptcy can be handled by one attorney and it can be handled jointly.
So what will happen to my debt?
Under bankruptcy law, what happens to your debt is the debts are erased. That is called a discharge. Once the debt is erased, you are not required to pay it.
Okay. And about my credit, will I ever be able to establish good credit again?
You can establish good credit even with a bankruptcy. The purpose of a bankruptcy is to give you a fresh start, so that way you can start on the path to establishing good credit once again.